Hello, my name is LaShonda Campbell, and this is my capstone research project. The title of my capstone research project is Helping Parents Support Their Children in the Classroom. This capstone research project was completed in fall 2018 at Kennesaw State University. This is an introduction of myself. Again, I'm LaShonda Campbell, and I'm working on my master's in instructional technology at Kennesaw State University. This is my 5th year teaching elementary education and my 3rd year teaching kindergarten. Prior to, I taught 1st grade and 2nd grade. I am a mother of 3 and expecting a 4th due on April 18th. The problem with my capstone project is that teachers need to effectively communicate the use of online resources to parents of students within their classrooms in an organized way. Parents can't assist their children academically at home if they don't have access to online resources. Sometimes we overly communicate to parents using many different resources that they have to access in different places. My project plan. Number 1, teachers will increase their knowledge by 50% on using various online websites to share with parents. Number 2, teachers will be using 2 online websites to collaborate with parents on how to get the websites up and running at home. 3, I will coach 10 teachers on how to use these online websites properly and teach them how to coach their parents on using these online resources. 4, teachers and parents will increase their knowledge by 50% on online websites and be able to use these websites to communicate effectively with one another. 5, teachers will provide a training and coach parents through the process of using these online resources at home with their child. Project plan continued. 6, online survey using forms, Microsoft Forms, to determine the online resources that will be needed and of interest to both teachers and parents. 7, use the results from the survey to get started on implementing my plan. 8, use Microsoft Word and Microsoft PowerPoint to create a flyer before the training session, create handouts for teachers and parents to have during and after the training sessions. 9, provide coaching sessions and handouts. And 10, have a post survey for teachers using Microsoft Forms to determine what they gained and if the process was beneficial. My evaluation plan. Surveys were created for both teachers and parents, and these surveys were compared according to the needs that teachers had and the needs that parents had with online resources and tools. PSC standards were evaluated throughout the project's activities. Teachers were able to effectively create and organize a way to communicate various online resources or tools to parents. Description of capstone experience. Professional development pitch and brief outline of technology integration. Flyer creation and teacher recruitment process. Met with teachers and gave pre-survey and evaluate as a group. Description of capstone experience continued. I prepped coaching lessons and handouts. I hosted or held PD sessions. I created and set up websites for incoming parents within my classroom, prepared meeting with parents during curriculum night to discuss our class website. My reflection. Throughout this process, I felt that I grew as a technology leader when I led individual teachers on using a various amount of Web 2.0 tools. I recruited mostly first year teachers because I felt that they would need it the most, as far as coaching sessions on various online tools that they can use within their classroom with their parents. I made myself readily available for them whenever they needed me to coach or observe their lessons within the classroom. We had check-in and check-outs. I gained teacher knowledge on the use of technology tools and resources were passed down to parents. So the teachers gained knowledge as well as myself. And then the information that we gained from our sessions, we passed them down to the parents. Teacher knowledge was improved by working with them independently. So not only did they increase knowledge, but I also increased knowledge. I feel that as a instructional technology coach or as the technology leader, I am continuously learning and considered a lifelong learner. So I also grew in the process. This disposition taught me to be patient. So as a kindergarten teacher and as a mother of three, I have to practice patience all the time. And coaching colleagues, I had to learn a lot of patience. It's a lot different when you have coworkers versus kids because you don't think that it would be that bad, but we made it through it. Copyright acknowledgments. This capstone was used using the Weebly website, in which we also created our electronic portfolio. I also used PSC standards, and this video was made using PowerPoint as well as Screencast-O-Matic. I hope you guys enjoyed this presentation of my capstone research project. Thank you.